Our planet is filled with wonders, but one continent remains shrouded in mystery: Antarctica. It's a vast, frozen land at the bottom of the world, the coldest, driest, and most remote place on Earth. For centuries, it has captured our imagination as a final frontier for exploration. Nearly twice the size of Australia, Antarctica is almost entirely covered by a thick sheet of ice. In some places, this ice is nearly 5 kilometers thick, holding 90% of the world's ice and 70% of its fresh water. Though it appears still and silent, Antarctica is a dynamic force, constantly shifting and shaping the land beneath. For generations, what lay beneath this colossal shield was a mystery. Early explorers mapped only the coastline, glimpsing towering ice cliffs and floating shelves. The true landscape, mountains, valleys, and hidden features, remained invisible, buried under crushing ice. Technology changed everything. With radar and satellites, we can now peer through the ice, mapping the hidden world below. It's like X-ray vision for an entire continent. What we're finding is astonishing. Vast mountain ranges, ancient lakes, and features that connect the land to the deep ocean. Antarctica's hidden landscape is far more complex and dramatic than we ever imagined. These discoveries are transforming our understanding of the continent. The land beneath the ice is a key to Earth's past and future. It's a pristine laboratory, revealing secrets about our planet's climate and history. As we look closer, we find features that link Antarctica's land to the global ocean in profound ways. The story of Antarctica is just beginning to unfold. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding this last great wilderness. The secrets beneath the ice are changing how we see our world. Antarctica is not just a frozen desert, it's a dynamic, hidden world, and its mysteries are more important than ever. Recent explorations have revealed a shocking secret beneath Antarctica. Scientists have mapped the seafloor in unprecedented detail, uncovering a vast network of underwater canyons. These aren't just a few channels. They're an enormous system of gorges and valleys, hidden for millennia. By compiling decades of ship data, researchers identified 332 major submarine canyons slicing through the continental shelf. These canyons act like giant plumbing systems, connecting the ice sheet directly to the deep sea. Before, we knew of a few canyons, but not the true scale of this network. This discovery fundamentally changes our understanding of Antarctica. It's like finding a new river system on a continent we thought we knew. Many of these canyons are still active, funneling water, ice, and sediment into the abyss. The data was always there, but only now have we seen the full picture. This comprehensive map reveals the density and scale of these features for the first time. The discovery is more than a curiosity. It shows the connection between ice and ocean is far more intricate than we realized. Each canyon is a potential pathway for change, influencing how ice melts and how ocean currents circulate. The existence of this hidden network forces us to reconsider the vulnerability of the Antarctic ice sheet in a warming world. We've uncovered a critical piece of the puzzle. The implications are profound, for Antarctica and for us all. The story of these canyons is just beginning. The Antarctic canyons are giants, deeper, wider, and longer than almost any others on Earth. Some plunge over 2,000 meters, dwarfing even the Grand Canyon. Imagine the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, swallowed whole with room to spare. Many stretch for hundreds of kilometers, starting near the coast and reaching deep into the abyss. These are superhighways for water and sediment, transporting vast quantities across the seafloor. Their immense size is a direct result of Antarctica's unique conditions. Glaciers and ice sheets have sculpted these colossal features over millions of years. The canyons are monuments to the power of ice and gravity, hidden from human eyes until now. Their discovery forces us to rethink the scale of geological processes in polar regions. We knew glaciers shaped the land, but now we see their work on a continental and submarine scale. These canyons tell a story of immense, persistent forces at work over deep time. They are a hidden world of giants, operating unseen at the bottom of the world. Antarctica's canyons are among the most spectacular features on our planet. How do such colossal canyons form beneath the ocean? The answer lies in powerful underwater avalanches called turbidity currents. Sediment builds up on the slope, then crashes down, scouring the seafloor and carving deep channels. In Antarctica, glaciers supercharge this process. The ice sheets grind rock into sand and silt, delivering massive amounts of sediment to the ocean's edge. When released, this sediment fuels turbidity currents, carving canyons over millennia. Meltwater from the ice sheet, dense and cold, helps drive these currents down the continental slope. The ice sheet is an active participant, shaping the seabed with both sediment and water. No other place on Earth has such a vast ice machine grinding away and dumping so much material at the ocean's edge. The result canyons on a scale unmatched anywhere else. Antarctica's unique glacial environment is the engine behind these spectacular underwater structures. The canyons are a direct, dramatic consequence of this icy powerhouse. Antarctica is not a single uniform block. It's two distinct regions, east and west, divided by the Transantarctic Mountains. East Antarctica is ancient and stable, with thick ice resting on land mostly above sea level. Its canyons are older, carved over many ice ages, and tell a story of long, steady glaciation. West Antarctica is dynamic and volatile, a patchwork of islands and basins, much of it below sea level. Here, the ice sheet is less stable, and the canyons are younger and more active. Many are found in front of fast-flowing ice streams and rapidly melting glaciers. These western canyons are being shaped right now, acting as hotspots where ice and ocean interact most intensely. The division is crucial. West Antarctica's vulnerability to warm ocean water is a major concern for climate scientists. Deep canyons in the west provide pathways for warm water to reach the base of the ice. Understanding these differences helps scientists focus on the regions changing most rapidly. The fate of the West Antarctic ice sheet could shape our future coastlines. The story of East and West is a story of past stability and present risk. These submarine canyons are more than geological curiosities, they're vital to the ocean system. They connect cold, fresh meltwater from the ice sheet to the deep ocean. As glaciers melt, dense, cold water sinks and flows through the canyons, driving global ocean circulation. This process powers the global ocean conveyor belt, moving heat salt and nutrients around the planet. The canyons are key sites for this sinking, helping regulate Earth's climate. But there's a darker side. Canyons can also channel warm water in. As ocean temperatures rise, warm water can travel up these pathways, reaching the base of ice shelves and glaciers. This accelerates melting from below, threatening the stability of the ice sheet. The canyons focus the ocean's melting power on the most vulnerable ice. This creates a dangerous feedback loop. More melting can draw in even more warm water. The fate of Antarctica's ice is tied to these hidden channels. Understanding their influence is critical for predicting our planet's future. The canyons are silent drivers of change in the world's oceans. Understanding these canyons is essential for predicting our future. The Antarctic ice sheet holds enough water to raise sea levels by nearly 60 meters. Even small increases in melting could devastate coastal communities worldwide. Scientists use climate models to predict sea level rise, but until now, these models miss the detailed effects of the canyons. Without them, predictions may underestimate how much warm water can reach the ice. The discovery of this vast network means our current forecasts could be too optimistic. The canyons are a major pathway for melting that we haven't fully accounted for. Incorporating this knowledge into climate models is urgent. Scientists must update simulations to include the complex Antarctic seabed. Only then can we make reliable projections for the coming decades. The canyons are a missing piece of the puzzle, crucial for preparing for the future. Our ability to respond depends on how well we understand these hidden features. Antarctica's hidden canyons remind us that our planet still holds great secrets. This isn't just about filling in maps. It's about understanding the systems that keep Earth habitable. The stability of the Antarctic ice sheet will affect everyone, shaping coastlines and influencing weather and ecosystems. Ignoring these canyons would be like ignoring a fault line when building a city. We must understand, monitor, and incorporate their effects into our plans. This demands commitment to polar research, investment in technology, and support for scientists on the front lines. The secrets of Antarctica are crucial for policymakers, engineers, and citizens alike. The continent has revealed a profound new secret, a hidden network connecting its ice to the global ocean. This discovery brings urgent questions, not easy answers. It's a call to action, more exploration, more research, and deeper respect for our planet. The future may depend on how well we listen to the stories the ice and ocean are telling us. Antarctica's canyons are a warning and an opportunity. The time to act is